What's going on YouTube, Facebook? This is Michael with Trushine Cleaning. I heard at a repeat customer house. I done this customer car. I want to say my phone is dirty. So I done this customer car. I detailed her car. I want to say early May or the end of April. It was one of those. It was about 3 weeks ago. But I've been trying to schedule an appointment. We've been trying to set up a time to come out here and clean her carpet. But I know the last week she was sick. The week before then, I had something to do that came up at the last minute. So I'm here today on May, I believe today is May the 19th, May 20th, Saturday. May 20th, Saturday. So I'm out here now getting ready to clean 3 rooms of carpet. I was supposed to do this driveway. They want me to clean this driveway because I do pressure washing services during the spring and summer months. So I'll be back doing this, but she's getting her house together. And there's a few other services in the house that she want me to do as well. She got a hardwood floor. She got a back patio she won't clean. So it's quite a few different services that she want me to do here. So that's a good thing. So right now I'm getting ready to set up all my equipment to get ready to start cleaning this carpet. I'm gonna take you guys in and show you guys what I'm doing. So give me a second as I load up everything. Everything's pretty easy setup. Everything's on the first floor. All 3 of the rooms and the hallway is right by each other. So shouldn't be a long job, but it should be a good video for you guys. I know I haven't been posting too much on YouTube, so I'm definitely going to show you guys this content. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you. All right, you guys, so I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. I'm actually recording a little late, so I've already vacuumed. I've already did 2 of the rooms, and I've already did half of the hallway. So, show you guys this. So, this is the last room that I'm doing. I've already done the hallway already. This high traffic area was really bad. Looked like this. So it definitely came out very, very well. So I'll take you guys back there. So did this room, did the hallway. So show you guys. So everything came out great. I say I didn't really give you guys a before of how this area looked, but it was very, very bad. So it definitely lightened up pretty good. I'm going into that way. So see here, I haven't done this area yet, and I haven't done this room. So just got done pre-spraying this room. This is the worst room. The customer did say she has a lot of makeup spots. So I've been treating those areas. And I'm finna get ready to agitate now. Show you guys how it comes out. So, show you guys a quick little setup of how I got my machine ran. So right now I'm relying only on vacuum from this machine. This is my solution line, as you can see. So I got my pressure coming from a pressure washer. Alrighty, so show you guys the finished results once I'm done agitating. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, finished up with this room. All of that makeup came out. Still trying to get a couple of spots. I grabbed this tool to get around that dresser area. Want to spray a few little products on that red spot and see if I can get that area out. But everything else came out good. Customer came already and looked at it. She's satisfied with it.